Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're out here checking out a newly listed 4-bedroom pool home in the Havasu Foothills Estates. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, this is 5050 Circula de Hacienda up in the Havasu Foothills Estates in So this is phase one again in Havasu Foothills Estates. So this certain phase has the bigger estate-sized lots, and everything in here is all custom, real nice homes. Of course, this is a master planned community. So being on the corner, the other side of the house is located on a cul-de-sac. You can see the negative edge pool up there, and I believe they have a lake view from up there, so we'll go and check that out as well. So the way this one sits, the front of the house actually faces off the street, so they have a driveway that's stained and kind of wraps around a little bit. This one also backs to a wash that gives you a little more space and separation from your back neighbors. So it has a real nice formal type courtyard entry, some pavers, a couple gated access points. Very nicely landscaped, little pony wall surrounding the front patio area. Has a real nice entry with a 8-foot steel or iron door. Alright guys, this is a total of 4-bed, 4-bath pool home built in 2010. 2,639 square feet. The main house is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and then there is also an attached casita with this property. So it has huge soaring ceilings with wood beams, can lights. There is also 8-foot interior doors throughout. Big open living area and kitchen. Double slider out to the backyard pool area. Pretty nice size little informal dining area. All custom cabinets, travertine tile backsplash, granite tops. Has an eat-at kitchen island. Nice KitchenAid fridge. There's propane attached to this property, so you have a propane cooktop. Under cabinet lighting. A walk-in pantry. So you have the double wood-beamed slider out to the backyard pool area, and this is a split floor plan. So this is the master at the rear of the house. Tall ceilings in here as well. Integrated speakers. So you have a big walk-in closet, and then your master bath with a step-down glass shower with travertine tile to the ceiling. Separate dual sinks. You have your toilet and your second vanity sink setup. There is also a door out to the backyard pool area with a frosted glass inset. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms. So back off the entry, you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. You have guest bedroom number 1. This is also like a junior master suite. There is a Jack and Jill bathroom between these other 2 guest bedrooms. You have 8-foot double wood doors for the closet, and then your Jack and Jill bathroom that you share with the other guest bedroom. This is a full bath with a tub shower combo. So continuing out the bathroom into the second guest bedroom. This is at the front of the house. Has a couple small closets. So across from the first bedroom we checked out, there is a guest bath, just a sink and a toilet. All right, so out the double sliders off the living area, you have a big, huge covered back patio with a large format stone decking. Looks like it has integrated speakers out here as well. Very cool setup out here. Has a large seating area, granite topped bar setup with a sink. Little sit-at bar area as well. So let's go in and check out the Casita real quick, and then we'll scope out the pool and the garages. So back off the entry, you have a door to your left with garage access, a little nook seating area, and your laundry room with a sink, and another door to garage. So this house is on solar, and it has what's called a prepaid lease, so they've paid most of it. This is your 2-car side, 23 feet deep, 22 feet wide at the door, all insulated, 8-foot door, epoxy floors. There's also a fire system in this garage. You have your air handler, hot water heater, your reverse osmosis and soft water, some built-ins, and there's also access to the RV garage on this side. So you also have a 50-foot garage that has a 10-foot insulated door, almost double wide at 19 feet wide at the door opening. There's integrated speakers in here as well. You do not see any mini splits or AC units, but since there is solar, that would be a good idea to add. There's also an entry door at the rear to access the Casita and a slider out to the backyard patio and pool area. So they have a real nice casita setup. It's actually a full casita with a kitchen, little lake views, mountain views, rear kitchen, tall ceilings, can lights, its own mini split AC unit, slider out to the backyard pool area. Has plank tile floors, granite tops in the kitchen with the same upgraded cabinets, little Southwest style tile backsplash. There's also reverse osmosis at the sink, under cabinet lighting, and its own bathroom off the garage. You have a cool little Santa Fe style bathroom, walk-in shower. Toilet and some storage. All right, let's go check out the pool. So it has a really nice big infinity edge pool with lake views. Little sit-at area, hot tub. Again, it has the large format pavers. Real nice mountain views from back here. Big Baja shelf. So you have your little spillway for the negative edge pool. There's also side access that takes you over to the front courtyard. And that machine right here is for the commercial misters that run at probably 1,000 PSI. So there's your little peekaboo lake view of the edge of Thompson Bay. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here in the foothills. Again, this one was just listed a few days ago for $1.575. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video, so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.